Hi, it's Pola from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Hi all, I'm here again today with another show and tell for you. So I will tell you today all about my cloudy quilt. There were two tutorials which captured one cloud each, and this design comes with 3 handouts and they are available on my website. So all links both to the tutorials and to the handouts are gonna be in the description below. All pieces came out from my magic number trays, and I used cathedral curves technique to make the clouds a little bit more rounded, but also add 2 extra detail to the design. To have better mix of blues, I have been using both right and wrong sides of the same fabric as right side. For a backing, I have paired it up with some blue larger 8.5 inch squares I cut from fabrics found in the scrap store. There were 4 different designs in the same colors, so I stitched them randomly to the needed size of the backing. For quilting, I used just simple large wavy lines to quilt it, no measurements here. When I made first line, I roughly echoed it about 2-3 inches away each time, and I only quilted in one direction on this quilt. For binding, I used 2.5 inch strips from the same fabric as a backing, so it nicely blended together on the back. I stitched it on the back first and then used one of the decorative stitches on my machine to complete at the front. So this stitch is similar to the blanket stitch, just each kind of leg of the blanket stitch is different length, so I think it looks quite nice here. Since the quilt is blue and that is my son's favorite color, he was there to help me with the pictures, and as soon as I have completed them, he commandeered the quilt and I have never seen it again. Obviously I'm joking, I did see it, but it's his favorite blanket now. So this is how I finished this quilt. Let me know what you think about this finish, and if you tried this design, don't forget to share on Facebook or Instagram and tag me in. I would love to see it in other colors. Obviously cloud do not have to be in blue and white, they can be any colors you like. Just use your imagination and just have a look what you've got in your Scrappy Magic number boxes that could fit there. Thank you very much for watching and happy quilting, everyone. Thank you for watching. I hope you'll share this tutorial, subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy sewing and see you next time.